In golden light where bamboo sway, a small cat trains to start the day. His paws are swift, his spirit bold, a mighty tale to be retold. Then comes the lion, strong and grand, to test the bravest in the land. The cat leaps high with lightning speed, a tiny hero takes the lead. The lion strikes with power vast, their friendly fight is moving fast. At sunset's end they stand as friends, where courage never truly ends.
लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो और बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलना ताकि आने वाली वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे।